Mahnoor Salt, redefining Himalayan salt excellence. Did you know Himalayan salt is packed with essential minerals and unparalleled purity? Harvested from ancient mines, it offers diverse benefits for cooking, wellness, and home decor. Mahnoor Salt takes this natural treasure to the global stage with unmatched authenticity and quality. Mahnoor Salt stands as a beacon of expertise in Himalayan salt export. With meticulous attention to detail, they transform raw salt into culinary delights, spa essentials, and elegant decorative lamps. Each product reflects centuries-old traditions, perfectly tailored to modern needs. Himalayan salt is more than just a seasoning. It's a wellness powerhouse. Boost your electrolytes, detoxify with spa-grade bath salts, or relax under the serene glow of salt lamps. Mahnoor Salt ensures you experience all the health and lifestyle benefits this natural gem has to offer. With a commitment to eco-friendly practices, Mahnoor Salt pairs environmental preservation with world-class production. From sourcing to packaging, every step aligns with global sustainability standards, letting you enjoy premium products guilt-free. Ready to bring the purity and richness of Himalayan salt into your life? Explore Mahnoor Salt's amazing collection and elevate your health, home, and meals today. Visit their website and discover how nature's finest gift can transform your everyday moments.